Well, hello there, and welcome to the first drive of the all-new Kia Carnival MPV. Now, I know what you're saying. You're saying, James, what are you doing out in the desert? Well, obviously, I've been having a little bit of fun, but more importantly, I found a great place to prove just how capable this segment-busting vehicle truly is. With 3,500 pounds of towing capacity, class-leading torque, best-in-class horsepower, folks, we are not messing around with this machine at all. So I thought I'd take an opportunity to get out of the office and have a little fun under the desert sun. The sheer flexibility of this MPV means there's a lot to cover, a lot going on, so let's get it going. One of the most refreshing qualities of the Carnival MPV is the rugged, SUV-inspired exterior design. It's not what you'd expect from this segment, and that's exactly the way we like it. And here on the front, well, folks, there it is, the new Kia badge. It's a modern look that will help guide Kia into the future. And I think it fits perfectly with the Carnival MPV's confident yet contemporary face. And these headlights, high-tech and futuristic, while the bold geometric grille exudes a sense of luxury, especially when paired with the metallic detailing and dramatic character lines on the hood and on the bumper. One of the things I love about the design of the Carnival is the way the headlights and the taillights are connected by this great bold character line that run the length of the vehicle and end up at a C-pillar. Now, most vehicles of this nature, you don't even notice a C-pillar. Here, it's textured, it's chrome, it's gorgeous. You can't help but see it. Coming back up here to the front, we've got these big, bold, two-tone mirrors that not only look cool, but they also obviously provide great visibility for the driver. That's important. And, you know, Kia is so good, so great, I'll say, at SUV design these days, and we see that carried on here. We've got these chunky wheel wells sitting on top of available 19-inch wheels. This is the way a vehicle of this nature should look. And around back, horizontal design elements provide a sense of width, a planted stance, if you will, and that's exactly what you need in an all-purpose vehicle. We see it in the side chrome garnish, wrapping around the tailgate, and the slim combination lamps with high-tech geometric shapes. The SUV-like qualities continue with the rear skid plate and reflectors, but you also get elegant details like the hidden rear wiper. I just love what the design team has done to the exterior of this vehicle. I mean, they've really captured that big, bold, and boxy look, which, let's be fair, has been so successful in our current line of SUVs. But based on the segment and the flexibility of the inside, they've made some magic. Let's check it out. Luxurious, high-tech, futuristic. That's the essence of this driver's seat experience. The available 12.3-inch digital cluster and equally large infotainment system are connected in a seamless, curved design, so you get this panoramic dashboard. Slim horizontal details, like this chrome strip that runs across the center, and the metal air vents all add to a feeling of spaciousness. The bold interior color options, the high-gloss black materials on the center stack, and stitching details exude a premium quality. On the tech front, the Carnival MPV is available with all the good stuff you expect from Kia. Personalized profiles, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless smartphone charging, multi-Bluetooth connectivity, up to 9 USB ports and 2 inverters, and Bose premium sound system. Plus a whole bunch of new features that turn the driver's seat into your personal command center. Passenger view lets you safely keep an eye on any shenanigans in the back seat thanks to this handy camera. And passenger talk uses a microphone and speakers to help communicate with your crew. The technology in the Carnival MPV isn't just about comfort or convenience, it's packed with available Kia DriveWise features. And one of my favorites is the Surround View Monitor, which helps you see in 360 degrees so you can navigate tight parking spaces. And the Blind Spot View Monitor, which appears in the cluster to make changing lanes a breeze. Now, you'll definitely notice those features on your drive, but there are a couple of other technologies that I encourage you to try. Highway Driving Assist controls steering, acceleration, and deceleration to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. And navigation-based Smart Cruise Control uses the onboard navigation system to anticipate curves in the road. And of course, there are the standard Kia DriveWise technologies that I know you're familiar with. Driver Attention Warning, Lane Keeping and Following Assist, High Beam Assist, Parking Distance Warning, Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, Blind Spot and Rear Cross Traffic Collision Avoidance, Rear Occupant Alert with Ultrasonic Sensor, and Safe Exit Assist. Okay, so that covers the driver's experience. It's time to hop in the back. The Smart Key offers some super convenient features like hands-free, power tailgate, and sliding doors. Just like magic. This is the 7-passenger SX Prestige with power-adjustable VIP lounge seats. Heated and ventilated, these seats feature wing-out headrests and leg extensions. With just the touch of a button, they adjust to the optimal resting position. After settling in, rear seat passengers can take advantage of the voice recognition feature to crank up some tunes or adjust the temperature without moving a muscle. The rear screen entertainment system has wireless Apple and Android screen mirroring, so passengers can watch anything, from anywhere, whenever they want. Now, if you want even more carrying capacity, check out the infinitely flexible 8-seater. This configuration adds the long sliding center seat in the second row, which easily converts to a table and 2 cup holders. In this case, the second row seats are removable, and the third row easily disappears into the floor for best-in-class cargo space. Speaking of which, it's time to pack up and get back on the road, and in a vehicle like this, that's where the adventure truly begins. I hope you don't mind, but I brought along a couple friends. Figuratively, of course. Inside the Carnival MPV, you'll find a welcome note with instructions on how to listen to a special podcast we put together featuring key members of the product development team. This is not scripted. There's no corporate talking points here, folks. You know me better than that. That's not the way I like to do things. This is a true conversation between the people who made the Carnival MPV happen. I learned a lot, and I hope you do too. Please enjoy.